In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the cart icon from the header in Shopify. Maybe you're looking to streamline the look of your online store or just want to try something new. Whatever the reason, this process is simple and quick, taking only about 5 minutes. To get started, you'll first want to log into your Shopify account, head over to your store's homepage where you'll have access to all your settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Online Store. This section houses all your store's themes and is where we'll be making the necessary changes. After you're in the Online Store section, locate the theme you are currently using. You'll notice 3 dots beside your theme's name. Give those a click. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with various options, and you should select Edit Code. When you're in the code editor, find the file named theme.liquid. This is where most of your theme's layout configurations are, and where we'll add a small snippet of code to remove the cart icon. Next, you'll need to visit a specific web page to get the code snippet we'll be using. So open a new tab and go to pastebin.com, specifically the page with the code prepared for this task. Once you're there, simply copy the content of the provided code. Now switch back to your Shopify portal where you have the theme.liquid file open. Scroll through the code until you find the line just above the word body. This spot is crucial as we'll be pasting the code snippet exactly here. So go ahead and paste what you've copied right above the body tag. With the code in place, the next thing to do is save your changes. You'll find the Save button at the top of the Shopify code editor. Remember, this step is essential to applying the changes you've just made. Now after saving, it's time to exit the code editor by clicking Exit. You're now back to the online store page where you began. To see your changes in action, click on View Your Store, which will take you to the live version of your shop. Once your store loads, you should notice that the cart icon has been successfully removed from the header. Your store now has a cleaner look, tailored precisely to your aesthetic preference. And that's it, you've accomplished this in just a few minutes, a perfect example of how a small tweak can significantly impact your store's design. Whether you're focusing on a sleeker look or just experimenting with your store layout, you've now added another skill to your Shopify toolkit. Happy customizing!